Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Moneyboy, and today we're diving into something that every gamer dreams of, making real money while playing games in 2024. Yes, you heard that right. I'm going to show you how you can turn your gaming passion into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income. So, if you're ready to get paid for doing what you love, stick around till the end. First up, we have eSports. Competitive gaming is bigger than ever and tournaments can pay big money. Games like Fortnite, League of Legends, and Dota 2 offer millions in prize money. Now, before you say I'm not a pro, don't worry, you don't need to be the best to get started. Most professional gamers start small, joining local or online tournaments. Websites like Battlefy, Challenger Mode, and Faceit let you compete for cash prizes even as a beginner. With enough practice and dedication, you could climb the ranks and start earning more. Next, let's talk about streaming. Platforms like Twitch, Adobe Gaming, and Facebook Gaming are incredible ways to get paid while having fun playing games. The best part, you don't need to be a professional gamer, just entertain. To start, you'll need a decent PC, a microphone, and a webcam. But here's the key: consistency is everything. Build your audience by streaming regularly and interacting with your viewers. Once you hit a certain follower count, you can start making money through ads, subscriptions, donations, and sponsorships. Did you know you can get paid to play games before they even hit the market? Game developers hire people to try to test the games for bugs and glitches. This is called game testing or quality assurance (QA). Websites like Playtest Cloud, beta testing, and Whimsic let you sign up to test games and give feedback. Not only will you get early access to cool games, but you'll also earn money for your feedback. It's a great side gig for casual gamers. Now let's talk about one of the hottest trends in 2024: play to earn crypto games. These games actually reward you with cryptocurrency for playing, which you can cash out or use to invest. Games like Axie Infinity, the Sandbox, and Gods Unchained allow you to earn NFTs and tokens that can be sold for real money. Some players have made thousands of dollars by playing consistently and trading their in-game assets. If you're good at grinding and earning rare items, you can make money by selling in-game items. Many games have online marketplaces where you can sell skins, weapons, and even accounts for real cash. Games like CCS, Fortnite, and World of Warcraft have massive online economies. Websites like player auctions or the Steam market make it easy to sell these virtual goods to other players. Just make sure you're familiar with the game's trading policies to avoid any issues. Don't worry, mobile gamers, I've got something for you too. There are plenty of mobile games that pay you to play, especially casual games. Apps like Misplay, Lucktastic, and Inbox Dollars reward you with gift cards and real money. It's not a huge amount of money, but if you're already playing on your phone, it's an easy way to earn a little extra cash while having fun. Last but not least, if you're really good at a game, why not coach others? Platforms like GamerSensei and Fiverr allow you to offer coaching services to players who want to improve their skills. Whether it's helping someone climb the ranks in League of Legends or teaching advanced tactics in Fortnite, people are willing to pay money for personalized tips and training. And there you have it. 7 legitimate ways to make money online by playing games in 2024. Whether you're aiming to become the next big esports star, a popular streamer, or just looking for a side hustle, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the key to success is consistency, practice, and a bit of creativity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these methods or if you have any questions. Happy gaming and good luck. Thanks for watching.